Welcome to Monzo Spending Analytics Explained, a comprehensive guide to understanding your spending habits and taking control of your finances. Monzo is a digital bank that provides a range of tools to help you manage your money, including spending analytics. To get started, you will need to have a Monzo account and the mobile app. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Summary tab where you will see a breakdown of your spending. This is divided into categories such as food, transport, and entertainment, allowing you to see where your money is going. The key concept to understand is categorization, which is the process of assigning a category to each transaction. Monzo uses machine learning algorithms to automatically categorize your transactions, but you can also edit these categories if needed. This ensures that your spending is accurately reflected in the analytics. A practical example of how this works is when you make a purchase at a coffee shop. Monzo will automatically categorize this transaction as food and drink. But if you want to categorize it as a business expense, you can edit the category. To get the most out of Monzo spending analytics, it is best practice to regularly review your spending and make adjustments as needed. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and make savings. You can also set budgets for specific categories, which will alert you when you are approaching the limit. Another key feature of Monzo spending analytics is the ability to track your spending over time. This allows you to see trends and patterns in your spending, which can help you make informed decisions about your finances. For example, you may notice that you tend to spend more on entertainment at the weekends, which can help you plan your budget accordingly. In addition to these features, Monzo also provides a range of other tools to help you manage your spending. These include the ability to freeze your card, which can help you avoid overspending, and the option to set up direct debits, which can help you pay bills on time. In conclusion, Monzo Spending Analytics is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By understanding how to use the features and tools provided, you can make informed decisions about your spending and achieve your financial goals. Remember to regularly review your spending, set budgets, and use the other tools available to get the most out of Monzo Spending Analytics.